Thing.
Pulling in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Alright, get those bellows operator dead.
Beware. Get those billows pumping!
Alright.
I can't cast that yet.
Focus felt as much.
By the way, my team, if you are at a loose end after the first set of stuff goes, go nuke Feldspar for a bit.
Okay, back green side.
That's still recharging.
Okay, no more bombs L side.
Beware.
Bellow. No more bomb, but that's a side.
I will crush you!
Actually,
My
one
side.
more bomb.
Kill the low health engine.
Right?
Enough bombs. Enough bombs, that's a side. No more bomb.
We
There's
got
a bag of bombs that's gonna go off.
Beware.
That's alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it? Yeah.
No, it's fine. Ours is fine.
Yeah, no. Stuff didn't get picked up here, and I died.
Turn up the heat, boys! We'll sweat 'em!
Get Apo back up.
Beware.
Okay, we can start bombs again.
No bombs yet on the other side.
On my side, get these engineers dead, please.
Okay.
Now bomb it as soon as you can. There we
I'm
go.
heading over. Hand of Sacrifice on Zell.
Blank now.
The Fury has broken free!
I have a bomb on me, so try to
Move, Malik.
I got it. It's fine.
Build tank.
There's a skull on the slag.
I got Feldspar.
Did you get that slag elemental to the primal elementals, please?
Use your tool.
Don't kill it yet.
Don't.
Guys, come
There
on,
we go.
get.
We have the other one.
Right,
It's fine.
next one.
Remark it.
Next one's marked.
Die, scum!
Okay, get ready for the primal elemental.
Feldspar's down.
Now, elementals.
There we go. Colors.
Nuke.
Beware.
That's it, 10 secs.
Come on, we can do it.
Beware.
Good job. Get the fire callers. Next elemental is marked.
Beware.
Get ready for the element.
Beware.
Got a fire color on me.
Elementalist now.
Mars swap the beacon.
Beware.
More deeps.
Come on, get that Elementalist dead.
Good job.
4,
Kill those fire callers.
2,
Next elemental is marked.
that's still recharging.
It's about to die.
Elementalist now.
I
My target
have a
if you need.
fire caller.
4, 3, 2,
I'll try to
1.
grab it. Got it.
Beware.
It came back.
Got it.
That's
Get that
it.
Elementalist
Burn it.
dead.
More deeps on the elementalist.
5, 4, 3,
Good job.
2, 1.
Alright, kill those fire callers.
I've marked an elemental.
Yeah, I'm using my totem. Wait.
Beware.
Bring the elemental to
I'll
the
start.
elementalist.
Yeah, sorry, I got it,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Okay,
We need to get
elementalist
those.
now.
Tracking.
Not
Full
your
new
Target
build.
elementalist.
pots, whatever you got.
Got 15 seconds, get it dead.
New fire callers.
As soon as this Elementalist dead, start targeting those fire callers.
Come on, come on.
5, 4,
Got it.
Alright, start moving.
1.
I'll pick up the boss.
Yep.
Alright, heroism, nuke.
Curious up.
Get that melt at the back. Melt on ours, move.
Use all your hero cooldowns, toll and stuff.
Take him off me down.
Beware.
Alright guys, you've got to get that to the back of a room. Not not blocking our way.
Beware.
We can still do this.
That's still recharging. That's still recharging.
Beware.
Pots if
If
you
you
haven't
guys
used.
want, we just pop some raid cooldowns and walk over.
Gas tanking.
We got plenty of druids with shout.
Hand of sacrifice on
There's more room to go there.
Yeah. Get me back up. No, 30 seconds. Keep Daz alive.
Beware.
Tell me if I have to down somewhere.
9 seconds.
Taunt now, Chili.
We need to move it.
Move it
Use the
to
shout thing
our
as well.
Where's Seppo?
Zell tanking.
I'm done.
I've got shield all up. Hand of sacrifice on Zell.
Oh, in box on Zell.
If you have mouth, sacrifice
And kill
yourself.
it.
Tranking.
Yes!